Hi, I'm Kirly-sue. Welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be making wet seasoning. So wet seasoning is something that mainly you'd use if you want a fresher flavor. So wet seasoning is the kind of opposite of dry bottle seasoning. So a lot of the seasonings you use are usually dry powdered kinds of seasonings, particularly if you're in a Western country. And the flavor is great, but the flavor is good, but if you want the flavor to be great, this is a really good recipe for you. You can make this, it will keep in the fridge for about a month, and it's so quick and easy to make. So just before I show you how to make it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below what sort of things do you put in your wet seasoning if you make it. And also don't forget to switch on the notification bell so you can see more videos just like this one. So here we have wet seasoning.